Bipolar cell. Receptive field of two different types of bipolar cell. 1.on, center bipolar cell. Tends to form a specialized synapse, triad, at their synapse with photoreceptors. At this specialized synapse, a bipolar cell and two horizontal cells form an invagination within photoreceptor. 2. Off-center bipolar cell. Bordered by an excitatory on surround. Synaptic arrangement associated with this off-center bipolar cell is a conventional flat synapse. Under dark conditions, photoreceptors continuously release neurotransmitter. Under light condition, photoreceptors progressively decrease neurotransmitter. That's for on-center bipolar cells, glutamate is inhibitory. Causes a relative excitation, depolarization, of the bipolar cell. For off-center bipolar cells, same neurotransmitter has the opposite effect. Ganglion cell. 1. Light falling on the receptor field center excites the cell. Increase frequency of action potential. 2. Light falling on the receptive field surround inhibit the cell. Produces reduce in the frequency of action potentials. Other ganglion cells have the reverse arrangement. Light falling on the receptive field center produces a decrease in the action potential, whereas light falling on the surround produces an increase in frequency. Retina, inner neural layer of eyeball. Latin. Ret, net-like. Composed of two laminar structure. 1. Retinal pigment epithelium, outer. 2. Neurosensory retina, inner. A. Retinal pigment epithelium, RPE. Single layer cuboidal epithelium. 4 to 6 million RPE cells per eye. Heavy checkmark photoreceptors, RPE ratio equals 45 to 1. Essential for support and viability of photoreceptor. Biochemical composition. Water, 80% of wet weight. Proteins, lipids, 3%, nucleic acid, 1%. Enzymes required for glycolysis, Krebs cycle, HMP shunt pathway. Source of energy. 1. Carbohydrate, lipid, amino acid, mineral, oxygen. Primary source is glucose metabolism. Supplied from bloodstream, capillaries in the choroid and via central retinal artery. Retinal metabolism. Muller cells store glycogen, providing a ready source for glucose. Under normal physiological conditions, the retina has a high rate of anaerobic glycolysis. Oxygen consumption is high in photoreceptors. Obtain energy mostly by oxidative phosphorylation. Physiologic role of RPE. Functions. 1. Visual pigment regeneration. 2. Phagocytosis of the shed photoreceptors' outer segments discs. 3. Maintenance of the outer blood retinal barrier. 4. Absorption of light, reduction of scatter. 5. Regeneration and repair after injury. 6. Retinal adhesion. 7. Active transport of materials into and out of the RPE. 1. Visual pigment regeneration. Regeneration of visual pigment, rhodopsin, involves both photoreceptor and RPE. Role of RPE. Second highest Vit-A containing structure. Uptake, storage, mobilization of Vit-A for use in visual cycle. Generates 11, CIS, retinaldehyde used in formation of rhodopsin.